Hello, my friends, a family doctor, Dr. AP. Many patients come with the complaints of snoring. Ladies come and then say, Doctor, my husband keeps on snoring full night. We are not able to sleep properly. He keeps on snoring. Doctor, we are really upset and frustrated. What to do, yaar? We have used all the formulas, but then my husband is not stopping snoring and we are not able to sleep now. We all are disturbed. My friends, there's a medical term called as sleep apneic syndrome. Now the doctor diagnoses sleep apneic syndrome. In that the treatment is weight loss. People who have huge tummy, usually they suffer from sleep apneic syndrome. Now if you don't find out any other reason, my friends, now you have to stop the snoring. Then use this formula of tennis ball. Tie it on the back, upper back, not the lower back. Back with a scarf or a dupatta. Whatever you feel like, which is comfortable. Keep this ball behind and tie it with this scarf. My friends, snoring comes down. How it works? Nobody knows that. But snoring will come down. Everyone will get peace. Everyone will sleep properly. This is a formula, my friends, which I brought for snoring. I hope if anyone in your house is snoring, you can use this formula of tennis ball and just tie it behind on the upper back. Like that. And then tell the patient to sleep. Till then, my friends, it's a goodbye from Dr. AP. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.